If you like the Matrix movie, you're gonna love this ChatGPT Chrome extension. In this video, I'll show you how to get the Matrix look for your ChatGPT chatbot using the MyStyle Chrome extension. First, let's start by downloading the MyStyle Chrome plugin. Simply search for MyStyle in the Chrome Web Store and click on the Add to Chrome button. Next, open ChatGPT and press Ctrl+M to open MyStyle settings page. Now we need to copy the contents of Matrix Scene Style CSS file into the MyStyle settings page. You can find the link to this file in the description box below. Once you have copied the contents of the Style CSS file into the MyStyle settings page, it's done. Now you can enjoy ChatGPT as usual with the cool Matrix look. Don't forget to like the video and follow PopUp Smart for more.